In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix error E02 on your Canon Pixma TS3750 printer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, what error E02 means is that the printer has not detected paper or the paper is loaded incorrectly. So what you want to do first is if you're having the blinking light as I have here and error E02, you want to press the stop button here to stop all functions that the printer is trying to do before you try and sort out the issue. Now, if you don't have paper in the back of your printer, just load some paper and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you do have paper loaded and you're having this error, then you'll want to do the same thing. You want to take your paper out, make sure that there's nothing kind of blocking the paper feeder tray or there's nothing going on back there that might stop your paper from being loaded correctly. But I'm going to show you now how to load your paper correctly and how to find any kind of straggling paper. So guys, one thing I will mention, if you are going to go in your printer and kind of try and get any paper out or fix your paper tray, make sure to unplug your printer because you don't want to get injured. So how to load paper is, initially your Canon Pixma will come like this with the blue clip kind of all the way inside. You want to move this blue clip out. Then I have my A4 paper here, which I'm going to load into my printer. I'm going to place it inside, just like so. Make sure it's nice and snug. You kind of want it to look like this. This means it's fully inside. And then you want to get your blue clip and just kind of push it in so it's nice and snug. It doesn't kind of flail about when you do that. Make sure the blue clip isn't pushing the paper too much. And just, if it looks like this, guys, then that's completely okay. Then you will be sorted. Now, if you do have any other problems, if you do this and you've checked your paper tray and you still have the error problem, then I would recommend checking the full inside of your printer by opening up the inside and going through the paper. Now, you might have a paper jam, for example, but if you do have a full paper jam, you might get a different error code. So if you are still getting the error, then your paper tray does have a serious issue. So in this case, I'd recommend either taking it to a shop, or if you know how to do some manual work on it, then get things moving again. Unfortunately, I'm not a technician, so I can't really show you how to kind of go in with screwdrivers and stuff and fix the paper tray. Hopefully there is a video out there which shows you how to do that. But hopefully, for most of you, this did help. And if it did, guys, please consider liking and subscribing, as that would help us out so much. And if you guys are looking for any paper supplies, check out our link in the description, guys, for our sponsor. They are a global printer supply store. They do really good deals on everything, and they do global shipping. We get all of our stuff from them, and you'll be helping out a small business. Don't buy everything off Amazon, guys. Jeff Bezos doesn't need more money. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.